Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 57. So this is a connection error and Vanguard error. So here's what you're gonna do. Head over to search, look for CMD or type in CMD, and then right click it or click here, run as an administrator. Once it opens, type in SC, delete, VGK, click enter, and then type in SC, delete, VGC. And then type in exit. And once you have done that, you want to go back to search, go back to add or remove programs. Once it opens, type in here Vanguard, 3 dots, uninstall. Click yes here. And once it uninstalls, you want to relaunch the right client. Once the right client loads, you go to Valorant and click here update, which will install Vanguard. Allow it. It says installing Vanguard. It's quite quick. And now it says your game requires a restart, but here's what you do. Close out of this. And go back to search, type in run, and in run you type in this services.msc, click OK. It will open this window. Click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it, and here it says manual. You want to switch it to automatic. Click apply, click start, let it load, and then OK. And you want to close this, and you want to go back to search and type in system configuration. Once you open this, go to services, scroll, click hide all of Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. If it says here stopped or running, then it's okay. If it says disabled, you have to enable it. But to make sure that it will work fine, you gotta untick this and then take it back, and then click apply and OK. And now you simply restart your PC and relaunch Valorant, and your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanguard 57. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.